Hey folks, Loyd here. This is a quick summary video of my article entitled Subliminal Results Proof 9 Powerful Cases. I'll cover 4 of those cases in the article. There is a link to the full article in the description below. The ending of this 2-minute video has a twist, so don't bail out on me. These cases show that subliminals powerfully influence people. Case number 1, stores reduce shoplifting and employee theft. 50 department stores use subliminal messages in music and cut theft by 37%. A New Orleans supermarket cut pilferage from $9,000 per month to less than $2,150 per month. Cashier shortfalls fell from $125 a week to less than $10 a week. Case number 2, subliminal messages enhanced smoking cessation. Doctors employed subliminal messages to help a group of smokers quit. After 1 month, 66% remained non-smokers, while only 13% of the group without subliminals remained non-smokers. Case number 3, subliminal messages improve academic performance. Groups that received positive subliminals got much higher grades and retained material longer than the group that got a neutral subliminal. Case number 4, subliminal messages result in dramatic weight loss. Research at weight loss clinics exposed patients to subliminals to lose weight. Patients exposed to subliminals lost more weight and kept weight off longer than those who had neutral messages. Some who received subliminal affirmations kept losing even more weight after the experiment finished. There are 5 more case examples in the article, but now for the twist. Over the past 12 months, I've lost 38 pounds. Eliminated some bad habits, and adopted some new habits that I tried before to adopt for years without success. Plus, I'm more confident and motivated. There is a link to the article and my full results in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.